Tashi, Tashi. Tashi, Tashi.
What do the blueberries down there first?
Yep. Dang. I don't know.
Oh, thank you.
Appreciate you, man.
Yes,
Definitely give you my
sir.
review. Sure.
For sure.
You gotta.
I'm starving too.
Just time. Yeah. Let you know. Take your time. I'm taking my time right here.
Thank you.
I'm doing
Wait.
lasagnas. I'm doing regular lasagna, veggie lasagna, and seafood lasagna.
Okay.
I'm doing 99.
You on social media?
Yeah.
Okay, add it. Okay, we are restocking
Second month.
about the second month.
It's not about the second month. It's the 2-month check.
It's the 2-month check-in, okay? All right.
Yeah, I forgot to bring some cards. Cause whenever y'all want, I put like 5 of them up here. Shit, did you get the keys? The vending machine?
No, you had them. You said I'm gonna have these in my pocket.
Bro.
Tay, no, you didn't. Stop fucking playing, bro. He plays too much.
Oh. Nah, for real. Go get that nah, for real.
Oh, wait, show me. I got it on too.
Yeah. Look, my baby got that shit on too. Mm-hmm. Go get that shit, y'all.
Inventory. I know y'all haven't been seeing me that much, you know, but I'm here.
She ain't shy
I've
that
been
camera.
here.
You see that beautiful ass face?
Man.
She ain't shy about that camera. She ain't shy about that camera.
All right, so we need to look at this thing.
Come on, and
Stop.
Man, look, you can't hide all that. You can't hide all
So
that.
we taking these out though, so these don't matter.
Yeah, beef jerky's going out today. We might just go and get him away to the security guards. She gonna eat that beefy shit.
Let's have a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You gotta get too much, but a little something.
I don't think they. Hold on.
4, 5, 6. I got 7, 6.
Oh shit! Fuck! Got to go in Sam's Club. We need some senses. Well, I mean, we can like after this shit next time.
Thanks, Tom. But damn. So bad.
That was the other reason why. Gotta make sure you put them jeans in there right so they don't get stuck. You know what I'm saying?
Okay. So, Cheetos 12. They kind of same as the Doritos. What's your green? We're keeping those?
See,
Little things from like Dollar Tree to like do the cost. I just write on them. I kind of like sometimes put tape over them so they don't smudge. I think that's so much better. And when we put them in, we make sure no tape is like sticking out because they do get stuck to wrappers, period, yeah. So.
So be mindful of that.
Yes. That was when we first started. Like, it was super trial and error. Like, we had, like, a few people hit us up. Like, oh, I didn't get my snack. It's stuck. It literally is stuck to a piece of tape. It was crazy. But we fixed it. Now it's laminated.
Get these motherfuckers away.
We should do a giveaway. Snack giveaway. Shout out to Bianca.
Nah, for real.
That was a good idea.
When we ain't use the noodles, I would have gave them away. But niggas be saying, well, yeah, them.
We definitely be eating the joint.
Definitely still be eating them, y'all. Shit.
I mean, certain stuff can just go to our house, which is fine, but you know, the stuff that we don't eat, like, we need to get rid of. They gotta go at the bottom. So there's different slot sizes. So
Damn,
how our vending
Alright,
machine
you gotta
works
take
is
that
this
off.
one. The bigger slots are up top, and the smaller slots are down at the bottom. So that little skinny Starburst, it's definitely got to go at the bottom. But Z bars.
You say Z burgers?
I said Z bars.
You say Z burgers.
No, I didn't.
We got a video.
I said Z bars. We can run it back. I said Z bars.
You said Z burgers.
I said Z bars, man.
At the end of it, make sure you reprice your shit.
Yeah.
Make sure you reprice. You be mad as shit selling the shit that you wanted $1.75 for 75 cents. You lost $1 on every jump.
Yep. Now this does take time. Again. We always tell y'all, make time for this, because it ain't gonna be no quick. You think it's quick, but this takes time. It's real tedious. Alright, it's the new restock. Yes, sir. Looking good.
Alright, let me see now. Got that. Some new. We got, well, these ain't new, but just switch it up with the regular gems. Put some regulars in there with the flaming gems. These new. Some Skittles.
I'm thirsty.
These new. Chips Ahoy's new. Cookies. Starburst new. I guess we had to move some stuff around and see if what's gonna sell better.
Man, they selling the new ginger ales?
But we're gonna get to these drinks.
I want one.
Yeah. Always make sure your labels is facing front. So, I mix it. You know what? That's what I'm saying.
Make a what's like here? Okay, so I'm gonna make one. Looking good. It's so much easier to
Yeah, well, the jumps out.
just wonder if we can. It's right there.
You want to price this out?
Yeah.
You want to price this out? You want to go price this out?
Okay, sure. You did it.
Yeah.
Okay.
You want here or?
I'm here.
Okay, so.
It's looking way more stock than it was. Yeah.
All right, pricing is set. Restocking is about done. Am I lying? I don't think so. We about done.
Nah, restock not done because we still gotta get them Celsius.
I mean, for today though, we'll come back for the Celsius. Celsius is supposed to go down there. Yes, that was our mistake. Forgot to go to the store for those, but it's okay. Don't stress yourself, man.